Today let's learn about how the abandoned cart works in the hello24ai platform. Basically, we'll see how the abandoned cart message can be set and triggered to your customers both on Shopify as well as on ECommerce. Over to me. So the first step in any abandoned cart message is nothing but communication or the content of the message that you want your brand to send to your customers so that they come back to the purchase journey and continue and finish. But once you have a thought on the content, we have the templates option here to get a specific kind of content in front of your abandoned cart customers. So let's take a sample of the abandoned cart template and see how it happens in action. So we are at a specific template here, and the name has to be mentioned in such a way that with the underscore, and in normal cases, basically lower cases and not capital letters for your template name button to be approved. Then comes the category. You could select marketing, and our templates have many options. So here in the header, you have the option to add text, image, document, or even a video. Video should be less than 16 MB. Now for the time being, we'll select image, and I'll just upload an image and show you how it looks like on the customer side here. So what you see on the right side here is how the customer is going to see your message, and what you see on the middle portion here is a specific text box that Facebook would want to know what the content would be, so that you have to just mention these content part here. And this is on the left side here is the content that you should be typing in or entering for your customer. So let's upload an image and see how it looks like. So what you see on the right here is an image that has been uploaded right now, and let's just get the content going. So the variable one, what you see here is the variable. Variable one is nothing but the name of your customer. For example, I would just mention as test name. And what you can see here is, it is already mentioned test name here, and it says your content. Your content is this, and the variable is this. This is basically to personalize. And let's get on with the other details. The variable to added here is nothing but the products. Basically, we could just mention name of products. That is name of products left in the cart. And variable 3 here, as per our content, can be the price. So basically, we're just dropping in a discount here. So as you can see is, the minute I update something on the middle box here, the same gets uploaded here too. Scrolling down, you have two options. One is a quick reply, wherein you can give 3 button options and ensure that your customers immediately make a payment now, or even you could take them to the view cart option and basically encourage them to make a purchase. It's important here to just type in for the sake of Facebook, and here as cart link can be mentioned as an example. So now click on submit template, and once this template is submitted, go back to active templates and check for your templates whether approved or not. So as you can see that the template is approved here. So let's go on to the next option at Shopify or the WooCommerce platform backend and assign the specific template to the abandoned cart message link. Here we are at the Shopify and the WooCommerce integration page. For an example, I'll just take Shopify and show you. Basically, both the options have similar abandoned cart option with the hello24ai platform. So let's go into the detail. Once you're inside the integration page, click on abandoned and turn on the page. Select the right template on the drop down. Assign the specific time here. So wait time can be adjusted in hours. So you have to be just a little specific here. And then it's 1 hour, then it's 1 hour. So for our case, let's just mention as 10 minutes. And in the image URL tab, just mention as insert image from product cart. Just by default picks it up from the product categories itself. And variable 1 in your template is nothing but the name. So to select the customer's name. And variable 2 shown here is nothing but to select the product name. And mention the discount amounts as per the variables mentioned. In the pay now button, just insert the payment link payment link, and view should be your Shopify cart URL. That's it. And you also have an option to test the same with your number mentioned here. And now let's save and ensure that this is enabled. Save template is done. Let's go to the next screen and make an order, abandon the cart, and see how it works in there. Go to the next. So what you see on the screen is nothing but a dummy order that I'm trying to place and not complete it and become like an abandoned cart customer and understand how WhatsApp is going to chase me and give me and prompt me with the required content and try convert my abandoned cart purchase into sale. So I've exited out of the payment, and let's see how the chatbot tries to get me and convert me to a purchase. Over to the next video. So as you can see right now, the abandoned cart message has been triggered as the same way as we've set it, and this is one of the most best way to recover your abandoned cart, and at least for the industry set standard on WhatsApp, you're able to recover abandoned cart to an extent of at least 23%. Hence, sending out an abandoned cart message to your customers and subtly nudging them to continue the purchase journey would be one of the best ways to recover abandoned carts for all e-commerce business globally. Now, if you find this content valuable and if you figure out that it's helping you create a dent in your abandoned cart customers recovery, then please do let us know in the comment box so that we'll be able to give you specific content as per your requirement. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.